It's an absolute game changer to finally break free from the limitations of traditional screen printing and watch your most intricate, vibrant designs come to life on a hoodie or t-shirt in just minutes, all without the mess or the technical headaches. The A3 Pro F1080 DTF printer, XP600 Gen2, is the ultimate business in a box for creators who are ready to scale their custom apparel game with professional-grade speed and reliability. This isn't just an inkjet printer, it's a specialized direct-to-film, DTF, powerhouse engineered to handle the high-demand environment of a busy print shop. At its core is the XP600 Gen2 F1080 printhead, which delivers stunning 2880 by 1440 dpi resolution. Unlike older models that can be sluggish, this machine is 2x faster, churning out a full A3 sheet in approximately 3 minutes, allowing you to hit a daily output of up to 180 sheets without breaking a sweat. Why the A3 Pro F1080 is a production powerhouse. Intelligent maintenance, the automatic time cleaning, and ink anti-clog design are absolute lifesavers. You can set a timer for self-cleaning, ensuring the white ink, which is notorious for settling, stays perfectly mixed and the nozzles stay clear even during downtime. Tactile control. The 5-inch LED touchscreen allows you to perform nozzle checks, clean print heads, and adjust layouts directly on the machine. You can manage your entire workflow without constantly jumping back to your computer software. Pro-level features. It supports 13-inch A3+ wide film and features a dual ink level alert system, so you'll never accidentally ruin a print run by running out of ink mid-transfer. All-in-one workflow. This model typically comes paired with an automatic powder shaker and heater, streamlining the most tedious part of the DTF process. It applies the adhesive powder and cures it evenly, so your transfers are ready to be heat-pressed immediately. Whether you're a side hustler moving beyond vinyl or a professional studio looking for a compact secondary rig, this printer eliminates the friction of garment decoration. It works on cotton, polyester, nylon, and blends, giving you the freedom to print on everything from dark t-shirts to canvas bags with incredible durability and a soft hand feel. Get started on your next big project today and see why this is the new gold standard for desktop DTF printing. If this breakdown helped you find the right tool for your apparel business, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into professional printing gear. See you in the next one.